Dear students, you can now we are going to do some exercise questions. So okay, see this, some figures are given here and the question is to have to write the fractions and write the correct sign, that means less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, see the first figure. Let us write the fraction first. This figure is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So in the denominator you can write 6, and among that how many parts are shaded? 1, 2. So 2 can be written in the numerator. Now here we have to put the sign. And see the next fraction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That fraction is also divided into 6 equal parts, and among the 2 parts are shaded. Now you have to check whether among these two fractions which is greater or which is less, or whether they are equal. See here both the fractions are like fractions because same denominator. Now go through the numerator. Here is 2 and here also 2. That means both the numbers are same. So which symbol will come? Equal to. Okay, go to the next figure. This figure is equally divided into how many parts? 4 parts. And among that, one part is shaded. So the fraction is 1 by 4. Now see the second figure. Same type of figure itself. It is divided into 4 parts. Among that, how many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. So both are like fractions because they have the same denominator. And see the numerator. Numerators are different. This is 1 and this is 2. And which is greater? 2. So we can say that this fraction will be greater. Now see here. This figure is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is divided into 8 equal parts. Among that, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So the fraction is 3 by 8. Here also it is divided into 8 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. Among this, see, both the fractions are like fractions. And one, the numerator is 3 and 2. So which is greater? This fraction is greater. Okay. Next also a similar question. The figure is not here but fractions are given here. Here you have to fill the sign with less than or greater than or equal to. Which sign comes, you have to fill it properly. See, both are like fractions, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Same denominator. Now we have to find which is greater or lesser. See the numerator 3 and 1. Which is greater? 3 is greater. So we can draw the symbol like this. Next, 7 by 9 and 5 by 9. Both are like fractions. So go to the numerator, 7 and 5, which is greater? 7. So open the mouth towards that 7. Now 3 by 6 and 3 by 6. See the numerator and denominator, everything is equal. So we can put equal to sign. Now 4 by 7 and 2 by 7. They are like fractions, means same denominator. Now see the numerator 4 and 2. So which is greater? 4 by 7. Now 3 by 11 and 5 by 11. Here also they are like fractions. That means with same denominator. And the numerator is 3 and 5, which is greater? 5. So show the greater symbol towards 5. Next we are going to study is ascending and descending order of fractions. Now what is meant by ascending and descending? What is the meaning of ascending? Ascending order. What is ascending? From smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger is called ascending. And what is descending? Descending means greater to smaller. So if we want to arrange in ascending order, we have to arrange from smaller to bigger. If you want to arrange in descending order, then bigger to smaller. See the first question here. Here our question is to arrange it. Let us arrange this first question ascending order, and we can arrange the second question in descending order. Okay, so here this question we are going to arrange in ascending order. So what is ascending order? Smaller to bigger. So for that, first you have to check whether all the given fractions are like fraction. If only we can do it simply, in simple way. See here all the denominators are 6. So all the 4 fractions are like fractions. Now we are going to arrange in ascending order, smaller to bigger. Now just see the numerator, 2, 4, 1 and 3. Among this, first we have to write the smallest number. Among this, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. So we are going to arrange in ascending order. So write that number first. Now The next number after 1, which among this which is the smallest number? 2, 4 and 3. Which is the smallest number? 2. So write that fraction next. After that 4 and 3, which is the smallest? 3. So 3 by 6, then remaining 4 by 6. This is how we have to arrange like fractions in ascending order from smaller to bigger. First you have to check whether the given fractions are like or not. After that you have to check the numerator. If the fractions are like fractions, just move to the numerator and arrange the numbers according to ascending order. Now let us arrange this in descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. So see, here all the fractions are like fractions. All the fractions have denominator as 13. Now our duty is just to look the numerator. Descending order, so bigger to smaller. Which is the biggest among this? 9, 5, 8, 3, 9. So which is the biggest among this? 9. So 9 by 13. First descending order. Which is the next number? 8. So 8 by 13. After that which is the smallest? 5. 5 by 13. Then 3 by 13. Okay.